All right, we are entering the Connecticut estate. Oh, I can't walk either, but this is the foyer, also known as
the park area.
Park?
The little park area. We put a cool antique lamp there. I ran the electric. I'm gonna run the antique lamp. I'm gonna get some like cool cement benches and wrought iron benches here. That's what this area is for. The waiting area.
Okay, okay.
So this is the tavern.
This is the tavern.
They call it the well room because there's water in there. And that's the well wheel.
Oh, schnoozy.
Right. So
nice.
That is fireplace there. So we're gonna keep painting this and wallpapering this a little different. There's a bathroom here. We did the stone. There's gonna be like a stucco shower with slate things, and then we did the stone there. I had a guy do it. Used reclaimed stone for the saddles, not like simple marble.
Right.
You do reclaimed wood for the floors I have in my home. So she's gonna do all this and the wheel. So there's real water in there, like actual.
Oh, there's well water.
If you go down there, I mean, yeah, it's real cold water. Wow. There's a pump later on, but they use the bucket. So that's the well. So I'm glad they kept that well. It's gonna be cool.
That's
I'm
beautiful.
gonna make 2 reclaimed shelves there, and then the sink works. There's gonna be 2 more chairs. There's gonna be an area.
Okay.
Humidor right there. So we're gonna hook this room with a TV in here. Chill out. Porch area. Hang out later. We had pizza and beer on there last weekend.
Nice. This is the Florida looking room.
Florida looking room. The kitchen we're doing over. Right now it's simple, but the cabinets are painted. We want to stain them, redo, sand them.
Right.
And I'm taking those down and doing shelves, old shelves.
Okay.
And then we're gonna redo those in a new countertop and a new
little island.
She bought this for like $11. We put that in the base show. This table, 7 table. We put it in that room. It looks like a coffee table. It's so small.
Oh wow.
But it's perfect right here.
Fragile.
Yeah. But these are all islands. She bought this last week at auction. But so the table's gonna be here. We put different chairs and a stool, bench.
Nice.
What are these, just like tiles?
No, some Italian things. Oh, she bought some.
Studio Dante, Toscana di.
She told me, she showed me. It's like she buys all this stuff for like nothing. Yeah,
like back.
Yeah, we'll try it. But if she likes it, I like it. We're gonna do the wallpaper over here.
The puppy.
Wallpaper, but we're doing it over, right? Where's my buddy?
Yeah, good puppy.
So, yeah, we're gonna get a 9-foot table over here.
Oh wow.
Yeah, 9-foot table. I'll tell you. And then obviously fireplace.
All right.
He had, before he even opened up Liberty Plumbing, it was in the window 40-something years ago. So when we closed down, I took it and put it here, a torch. But we're gonna have all this. The bathroom's done there. You see the bathroom?
I seen the bathroom.
Yeah, that the lady did before it's cool.
I gotta look to put it.
Oh, so isn't it?
Freaking peeled.
She knows that was cool, right? We're gonna do a 6-foot tub on legs there. This is our room, supposedly. I don't think I'm allowed to sleep in here, but because I'm not allowed to touch anything. But
master.
And then she bought this online for on the auction for
holy shit,
maybe $100. This thing's awesome.
It's giant.
Oh my god, it's so friggin' cool.
Oh, that's beautiful, though.
I mean, when she brought it, I was like, but she cleaned it all up, and this thing is like amazing. So yeah, heavy as balls.
I can imagine.
You had to pick it up.
Yeah. We moved it. Yeah. I mean, the moving guys put it in here, and then we moved it from there. But it's cool. So we're gonna get something for here. So this is our bedroom, eventually.
Right.
She with the blinds up.
She says Jay's not allowed to sleep here yet.
No, I'm not allowed anywhere. I don't care. I'll sleep in the basement for like here. So she did the walls with the water paint.
Okay.
She did the basement to make it a little rustic because it looks,
Right.
cool. I'll take you through the west staircase and we'll go back down the east staircase.
Okay. To make it easier.
That's right. So that's the bathroom.
The bathroom. I'm gonna go in the bathroom really quick. Ah, what's up, kid? Little baby tub right now.
So I got that from a job, just to fill the space. We're gonna do a 6-foot tub there.
Gotcha.
There's a washer and dryer over there, so we don't want it up here.
Yeah. It doesn't
So
make sense.
eventually we'll clean something. For now, it's just there as a problem.
Right. Maybe build a square or get an older one, like you said.
I want to do a 6-foot tub on legs.
Gotcha.
Yeah. So this is the west staircase. Stairs a little steep, so your leg muscle will get that out.
Holy shit!
Yeah, I know, right? So this is the only bathroom that's downstairs. So when I'm up here sleeping, I sleep up here, going down in the middle of the night, for a piss in the middle of the night.
Oh.
It's fun. Yeah, especially after a few drinks. So there's a bathtub up here that TJ and Ringo helped me bring down this week.
Right.
So we took it out, it wasn't working in here. So let's make a nice shower. So this stone was outside one of the patio blocks. So I had the guy cut it for me. Then he had a piece of this in his yard, cut it. I said, you know what, it'd be better than marble you buy in the store.
Correct.
Something different. Stone. I'm gonna make a vanity for here. I already have it. Got all the trim coming. I ordered. She did this old school tile. It looks rustic and old, but that's what we were looking for.
That's what you're looking for,
Oh,
yeah.
it looks beautiful. I
Yeah,
love
it does.
You tell her that because she was like,
No, I love
No,
it.
it looks.
it's
It
different.
looks-
You can't have it too modern and then
No,
Right.
it's not gonna.
Right.
mesh.
So I have this mold and I'm going to continue here. That's why I left, see the mold, miter it. And then, you know, it's just rustic. It's
Right.
cool. It got body sprays and a whole, you know, so a little modern mixed
Right.
with
Yeah,
little
yeah.
country, little rock and roll.
Yeah.
Where do you put the toilet? There?
Right here,
Okay,
facing this way, and then the sink there.
got it.
And then this giant freaking cabinet. I mean, look at that walking cabinet.
Yeah,
Wow,
nice.
this is like a lot. You know, it's great for storage.
Yeah.
Right. We don't have much storage in a lot of rooms, but, you know.
Oh,
it's
that's
cool.
nice.
Yeah. So I bought the floors. What he said, I found a place in Rockaway. My friend told me about reclaimed wood. They mitered it, they milled it, and they everything. So I can't. Oh my God! It's like this,
Nice.
but here.
Sweet.
So this
This
room,
is another closet.
another
here.
closet. Yeah. Simple shelves. All the
Nice.
stuff. So like I said, this is pretty cool. This room is another guest room. Obviously, probably you guys stay over. She bought the furniture from everywhere.
All right.
The story she'll tell you is she bought this dresser, she shined it up, cleaned it up. Her nephews picked it up and lost the drawer.
Ah,
So I put a piece of marble in it and
Make it like
finish it. And yeah, put your phone,
right.
your toys in there, whatever the hell you want to do. Something there. Closet there.
Storage.
Yeah, exactly right. Whatever you want. That she bought, again, I don't know how much she paid, but nothing for it.
That's cute though.
Yeah, working fireplace, little cubbies. I got the mattress here, it's at home. I couldn't fit it in the bag. So next week.
Nice
She's gonna
chair.
paint this room. This room's gotta be painted. You know, the blue is not working, I don't think.
Right. Oh,
But we have stuff for it like this room. But this room would be pretty antique. The last room we're gonna take you to is already done.
already done.
Yeah.
I wonder if these curtains are nice too.
Yeah.
Different.
She put the curtains up, yeah, downstairs.
The
Yeah.
material.
Oh yeah, she's all about the curtains. This room's our little intimate room. You
The
want to say
waiting
I
area.
sit down, I'm on the phone, I sit down there. The couch is this room is sleeping in right now, so we're working on this room. This is the vanity for that room.
Okay.
So getting a stone vessel sink with a cool faucet that comes up. And this is gonna be, so I'm gonna reinforce it and I'm gonna put a vessel sink here. And that's gonna go in that room.
Oh,
I
nice.
mean, you look at it now, like, yeah, that's an old piece of furniture.
No, no,
When you see
come
it in there later with the sink,
It look nice.
Doesn't look nice.
yeah, I already have the vision.
Oh my
And then she's gonna take it, put a couch in here. We got
Right next
chests
to
to go in
sheetrock.
here. Yeah, he's like clean.
You got, no, I don't know where you would lean to get
No,
to it.
probably in the
Can't
bathroom or
lean over
something.
your butt.
Nice.
This room is the one that we, so like all these plates from my neighbor next door. We took them all
Oh, you
off.
took them all off?
The window, see the switch plates, the outlet plates, they're all from my neighbor.
Wow.
And they fit in the room with the antique.
Fuck
All the
yeah.
furniture's hers, the chest.
Oh, wow.
That sewing machine thing is hers. She brought the mirror, she put the blinds up. We hung that up as a headboard. Then she bought these because the ones down here were just wood. So we put these rustic, little old-fashioned-ish.
Yeah, it's nice little touches.
Little
Yeah.
I'm glad some people.
Where'd you get
noticed.
that from?
I don't know. She bought
That
it.
is awesome.
Yeah. And there's one. Check out this one. Somebody gave it to her from somewhere. Pretty cool, like a little painting.
Yeah. Oh, this is a
Little
nice room.
thing. It's just, look, people walk in and be it's an old person's house.
Right.
It's antique.
Yeah,
Yeah.
exactly.
It
has-
goes with.
Like I like the door handles.
I love the hardware.
Door knockers. Oh, that's awesome.
Right.
The way the doors
We
close.
we hung this up for for your jacket, your towel.
So cool.
So this room, I'm looking. This is the library. Day bed here. Somebody wants to crash and.
Oh, this is
We
really
did get, like,
nice.
a little sofa here, a love seat.
I
She
like
bought
that.
these really cheap. So for now, we're gonna put a TV on there. That's pretty comfortable. I sit there sometimes making phone calls and hang out. There, the attic stairs up there. Attic's all wide open, just empty. We're gonna
Right.
finish it.
Oh wow.
She got her games over here. She's all very proud of. So when the kids come over, she got a little game closet.
Ah,
Oh wow.
Yeah,
this
it's
is
pretty
really
cool.
nice.
This is an old typewriter from a great uncle.
Wow.
That's a picture of him. Old
Stamp.
stamp thing, right?
Holy cow.
So all these, and this is this is the yard.
Right.
So yeah, little stuff like that, little cubby holes like this.
Great.
These little things out here.
I
little
love
cubbies.
that, yeah.
Yeah, there's another one here.
So you put the cable and one's
Right,
the
the
TV.
cable, the TV, you know, that's where you gotta help me
I
out
love
with that
this
stuff.
blanket.
Yeah.
So there's a picture of my neighbors, you know, that we bought the house from, Val and Jean. So when we cleaned the house out, they left the niece and nephew. They left the picture there on the dresser, and I kept it in the basement on his tool bench. So when we fixed the room up, she's like, "You gotta bring the picture."
You got to bring the picture up.
It's here.
That's right.
So the snares, I'm gonna take you down. I'll show you what we're gonna do there. So this is cool. So we'll put a TV here. She's gonna buy the
Nice.
outlet, fireplace.
And all the
Nice.
TVs are gonna have a frame around it like
Well,
that.
they have a frame around it. Yeah, it's gonna
That'd be
it's gonna be cool.
awesome.
I'm gonna build them out just enough. So I think like that here. Take it down the east staircase.
East
The
stairs.
east
East staircase.
staircase.
This east street, east
TV's not
staircase.
waiting
Ah.
to move the car. But
Oh,
somebody would have yelled, no?
there we go. So this wall here, the lady had like one big picture, which is cool.
Right.
But we're gonna do all old pictures of our families.
Oh, up the stairs.
Black and
Nice.
white pictures of
Nice.
our people, you know,
Nice.
past and present,
Nice.
and all the way down from here. So I'm gonna make something really cool, piece of rustic wood. I'm gonna hang more pictures.
Nice.
So it's gonna be cool. These stairs are a little more fan friendly, you know, easier to go down.
They're still very like,
Steep.
Like
Yeah.
it's a big step, right?
Yeah. It's a nice landing though.
Yeah. And then, because that's the walkway,
Right.
so nobody's using it. And then, this is the living room area, TV.
Okay.
The piano. Check this little area out. It's gonna be a bar. I'm gonna put a bar with a sliding little thingy,
All right.
and a double door. So I'm gonna put a slide out, and it's pretty cool. So we have this. I love the woodwork.
Yeah.
I don't like do antique, like the the worn out little look.
That's not really
The
nice.
stained glass.
Stained glass. She loves the stained glass. I'm not big on it, but she loves it, so we're gonna make it work. And she ordered the couch for here. It's coming in July, especially made for here.
Wow.
Yeah, I know. And the fireplace. And then check out the light. It's pretty cool. We're gonna put lamps, but with the above head.
Oh, yeah. Oh, I love that.
Oh
Pretty cool.
yeah, it
When
is.
it's dark, it's cool.
That is
Oh, that's nice.
Yeah.
like that.
It was here before, so we didn't leave it.
Gotcha.
But yeah. So we're gonna fix this room up as the living room area. Like the
Her
dining room area.
piano.
Waiting room area for Lucy's, right? And the doodle,
Aw.
and that's the 5-cent door. And there's the yard.
Very nice.
Yeah. And so this was all the moss that we took off the things. Was all you couldn't see the stone. So I seen a little piece. I'm like, I'm getting this out.
Yeah.
So it took me 2 days. I cleaned the balls off it, and now you see the stone.
Nice.
And I like the stone better. I think it looks pretty
You
cool.
got to do that water fountain there.
Yeah, I like that idea.
That waterfall. I'm sorry.
It does.
I told him to do a waterfall there.
Off the. I'm gonna keep that idea.
That big stump.
Oh,
Like from the water
And I
coming
wanna
from the
clean
top
it.
going
Yeah.
down with the blue lights.
That's really cool.
I feel like I should put a face on it, and that should be like Mother Nature or something.
That's good for pictures for when we had the party. So you got like 2 minutes? I'll show you the barn real quick.
Oh yeah,
Come
yeah.
on, take a look at the barn.
Oh yeah,
Alright,
that's
come
yeah,
on.
to see the barn.
Come on,
I
take the
haven't
barn.
been out there.
Come on.
Yeah, you have to see the barn.
Oh, red door.
Red
I
door.
didn't notice a red door.
Two of them, one in the front also.
Oh.
Yes.
Thank you.
DJ Dan, we got free music on Thursdays through Fridays.
DJ Dan.
Yeah.
What's that?
Oh, I hear
The music, yeah. I don't know. He plays the music. My neighbor hates it. I don't mind it.
Can't even hear it really.
Right.
Oh, he bought his own wheelbarrow?
Yeah, TJ Brothers.
Yeah.
Okay.
So like I said, this was like grass area. She had some plants thing. It was weird looking, you know. So we took it down and said I could park cars here now.
Oh, very nice.
The basketball net was there. If you know what, we'll keep it and put it back and it can be used.
Yeah. Oh no, the basketball is perfect.
I started planting seeds over here. It's growing. Like
Yeah.